Fluid mechanics and hydraulic mechanics. Subject is fluid mechanics and hydraulic mechanics. I am from mechanical branch. My name is Varun Teja. My roll number is 20951 80314. Today's topic is description of orifice meter. What is orifice meter? An orifice is defined as a device which is used for measuring the rate of flow of a flowing fluid, for restricting flow, or for reducing the pressure through a pipe. They generally consist of orifice plate, meter tube, and orifice plate housing. We can see the picture. General description of orifice meter. In orifice meter, there is an orifice plate which provides restricting to flow of fluid. Orifice is placed between the pipes which contracts the streamline due to the constraining of air. Minimum area across section is known as when a contract or orifice diameter is generally kept around 0.5 times of diameter of pipe, but sometimes it can vary between 0.4 times to 0.8 times of diameter of pipe. Across the orifice plate, differential pressure is developed which is directly proportional to the flow rate of fluid. Orifice meter are generally made of carbon steel. Parts of orifice meter. Orifice plate. Orifice plate is a plate which have diameter equal to the diameter of pipeline, in which there is drilled a hole in the way, in which helps in reducing the rate of flow through the pressure can be reduced. Inlet. Inlet is the point at which the fluid enters from the pipeline and the fluid changes its pressure as well as velocity. Overflow pipe. Overflow pipe is used for prevention of water flow of glass cylinder. Flow dissipator. Flow dissipator in which surface meter are personable for the flow dissipation, which is done by taps and therefore pressure changes. Outlet. Outlet is the point in its device at which the fluid exists. Pivot tube. It, it is used for measuring the pressure drop. Manometer. It is device which is provided for the pressure meter. The opponents of orifice meter. Components of orifice meter. Orifice plate. The orifice plate is located between inlet and outlet section. Is generally used to produce the pressure drops which always follow them to measure the flow rate. Flow conditioner. The flow conditioner is installed at the inlet section and used for enhancing the inner flow at the inlet section. Outlet section. Outlet section are also a linear segment and used for determining the pressure of liquid or a gas discharged. Inlet section. Inlet section is the linear segment which is extended from device and inlet section act as the end connection for the flowing fluid. The orifice plates. These are the orifice plates. Let's see. Types of orifice fitting: double block and blade. They contain two different valves for different chambers, which increases the op- operational safety. Operational safety. These also provide protection from the liquids which are toxic in nature. Single chamber, and it have a single chamber which is designed for accentuate the measurement of the rate of flow of gas or fluid. The dual chamber. Dual chambers are installed in conjunctions which upstream and downstream sections, and they have zero ring seal which eliminate the issue of maintenance of gas cut. In addition, a valve seal also provided for this type of orifice fitting. Types of orifice plates: standard shape of orifice plate is believe or cone. On the smaller slide, they have sharp edges, and edges are faces to upstream of the flow. Orifice plates can be used for a huge variety of pipe diameters. There are various types of orifice plate used in orifice meter. Eccentric orifice plate: an eccentric orifice plate that have holes of the center. They are generally used for those liquids which contain solids or gases. Concentric orifice plate: in this type of orifice plate, the hole is at the center. These orifice plates are mostly common among other types of orifice plate. They are used for various of process, but generally not used for highly corrosive process. Integral orifice plate: these type of orifice plates are generally used for low rates of flow. They are small tubes which is mounted directly over the differential pressure transmitter. They have an orifice which is present inside the tube and are used to for connecting the high inside of the cavity to the lower side of the cavity. The segmental orifice plate. The segmental orifice plate is a slender plate with an opening in the shape of circular section. Others like others like equilateral and conical edged entrance. Conical orifice plates generally Control orifice plates are generally installed on the backyards. Therefore, the flow enters through the below side instead of entering through the below side. Applications of orifice meter. It is used in the flowing industries, refiners, natural industries, petrochemical plants, water treatment plants, oil filtering plants. Advantages of orifice meter: they are a chip in comparison to other devices. Link ensure meter. They need less shape for their installation. Therefore, they are ideal for the space constrained applications. They can be used in large pipes also for the determination of flow rates. They can be installed in vertical as well as in horizontal positions. Disadvantages of orifice meter: they can easily clog if there are impurities present in the gas or liquid. They have low discharge coefficient. The orifice plates is corroded easily with time. To attain streamlined flow straighteners are needed at the outlet and inlet, which increase the space for installation as well as cost. In orifice meter, downstream pressure cannot be converted, and the head loss is between 40% to 90% of differential pressure. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to share my views. Thank you, Barandar.